So AI is booming and we here to get rich off of it. So what if you had a tool that could get you some of this, but also could teach your kids a lesson? This website helps you make children's books, coloring books, picture stories, all kinds of stuff that you can transform and turn into a gold mine. Without further ado, let's get into it. I introduce you to readkids.com, and what if this was so easy or so simple that a literal child can do it? We're gonna see. We're gonna walk through a review of this tool and see live in real time how well does it work and what are the possibilities when making these books, products, or workbooks. Okay, let's get it. So first and foremost, as you see, it says you can make picture book stories, classic derivative works, image clones, text to image. They got a back to school story challenge for your kids, okay? So from August 5th to September 4th, they're having a challenge to see who can make the best stories. That's pretty cool. They say they got 100 plus templates, 60 plus drawing styles, 10 plus professional children dubbing. So this looks pretty cool. Let's get into it and see how we can create a book or create a story. So first and foremost, if you don't know how to use it, they got the express control, the pose control, the storyboard creation, all the things that you need to kind of use this tool they have here. So if you want to read these tools, you can. Now, when you go to the Explorer page, they have all different kinds of pictures, inspirations that you can draw from. So you can like other people's, you can draw the exact same image if you felt inspired by what they created. And if you look over here to the left, they got AI images, custom drawing, AI filter, AI picture book, AI generate. They got caricatures, you can upload pictures and more. So let's make our own AI book. So let's go to AI generate. We're gonna we'll do a single book just for this example. But it's crazy that you can even do a series. So let's press continue. I'm not reading any of this. You can choose your styles. You can generate the character art. This is cool. Start creating. Okay, so when you want to create your picture book, as you see, they have a lot of breakdowns. So do you want this book to be for people that are 7 to 9, 9 to 12, super baby infants? We'll keep it to 7 to 9. We want it to be a fairy tale. So we want a nursery rhyme, or we want American Tall Tales. Zombies? Oh man, zombies is hard. We gotta go zombie. Let's go to flashback. This is hard. So first person perspective, third person, anthropomorphic. I'm not sure what that means, but let's go. So I said, this is a story about a young girl who wants to be the best mom, wife, and Pokemon trainer ever. Wow, what a story. Sounds incredible. AI generate, we pressed it. This is not being fast forward or sped up. You see my voice is the same. This is writing a book. Gang, I don't know if this is good or bad for society. I think people gotta learn a little less because they're not applying their minds to stuff. But this just wrote me a story, okay? So this is called The Dream Trainer of Meadowbrook. And look at this, the whole story is here. It's 2,900 words. You get up to maybe 10,000 words here. So we press extract roll, let it cook and do its thing while it does its thing. I'm gonna do mine. All right, we're back. So you see the drawing style. You can do a sketchy doodle style. Sean's Clay Farm. I'm not sure what that person's name is. Watercolor. This is fire. I've never seen any tool like this so far. This is one of a kind. So let's go. There's a lot of selections, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm still scrolling. I think neo-realistic is hard. They have so many choices, dog. I'm literally in real time. All right, let's go. We're gonna go neo-realistic. Looks cool. All right. Once you approve of everything you've seen there, you press next. Damn, y'all going kind of crazy right now on Read Kids. This is fire. I like this. So right here, you could choose a full body image for your character illustrations that can help maintain consistency in your future drawings. Adjusting prompts appropriately based on drawing style can better maintain consistency. Okay, cool. All right, so we got Leela Fern. What we doing with Leela Fern? We got the mother, the grandmother, the group performance. So I have Leela, I'm gonna press generate. And I'm seeing over here, these are some of the hairstyles, some of the hair colors, the accessories you can choose from. And you see, there's even an edit button for edit character. So in a minute and 48 seconds, this will be ready. We'll tap back in there. Oh, by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not your guru. We're gonna go through the tool together. If you need anything and you like everything you see in the video, click in the description. I'll have the links. Let's get into it. Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and I went to each character. This is what our main character looks like. This is Leela Fern. I click it and then I press generate. So you can go in and edit the things that you want to change and edit to your character. I'm just going with what they suggest, right off the top. This is what grandma looks like. That's hard. You seen the mom, you seen Mr. Grouse. Okay, so now we press next. Then they're gonna give you 200 reward points if you go ahead and join their Facebook group. They're rewarding people for checking out their stuff. Okay, let's continue on. Now here's your storyboard. So they got part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 9. So Leela's Greatest Wish was rather unusual. They got all these different things. So the original story is in a quiet town of Meadowbrook where the grass was curdle green and soft. You get it. There's Pokemon here and they're making stews for the family. So let's just go ahead and press next. If you want to change any of this stuff, you've seen right here. I can change it. Eevee, Pokemon enters scene. I don't know what that's going to do, but let's press next. Now, we are at the point, oh shit. Now you're just gonna wait for about a minute or two. You can see some of the bonuses they have here. If you wanna click sign up for the Facebook or enter the story challenge, they have that here. But I'll be back in a minute when we're done generating. Okay, so I just wanted to show you on the screen real quick. This is the beginning of our book that we made. You can choose your cover that you want. And I just want you to see each one of these pages now has all these images. And all I did was I went here. They already had the portrait selected that they wanted. I simply pressed generate. And you can pick from any of the selections here that you want. If you want to change any of the pictures selected. Once you're cool with your book, you see we got all 21 pages. Done. We just go to generate video. This is called the Dream Trainer of Meadowbrook. Press generate, and if you're missing anything, you go in. I'm just going to click some random stuff, or you can select the button called random here. Select random here. Select random here. And then when you're done, you press generate. And now we wait 40 seconds. Or less. It looks like it's cooking pretty fast, but I'll be right back as soon as it's done. All right, y'all, so that was actually just Cap. You see the actual video generation itself is taking place, and that'll probably take you about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be back as soon as it's done. Okay, so now you see it's successfully generated. We go to view video, and here we go. And if you put voiceovers, this is where the voiceovers will go. They will read out all the words and narrate the entire story. So as I'm talking to you, I'm just gonna pick through some of the interaction, bro. This is incredible for a child's page. So if you got kids, you got nieces, nephews, this is a great way for you to interact with them, and both of y'all can get paid. Imagine a kid having this as a skill. Incredible. You get the point. This is literally incredible. Not only do I think this is fire, because I think you could start using this to get paid by posting these on YouTube, making a TikTok page of children's bedtime stories, first grader bedtime stories, lunchtime stories. Do you have a kid that has trouble paying attention? Whatever. Do you understand how many moms are online and how many moms spend money? They spend tons of money, brother. And this, I think, could be a gold mine and a way for you to get paid and educate your son, your kids, your friends, your family, your brother, whatever you got. This is fire. This is readkids.com. You can download this video. Make sure you check out this tool if you want this tool. Everything you need will be in the description for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. This one, I'm giving a 9.5 out of 10. This is fire. It's a banger. I definitely approve. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.